Facial fillers, a lot of patients come in, they say, I don't want filler, I don't want to look plastic. I completely agree. I'm not about making patients look plastic or unnatural. If anything, we use the smallest amount possible and what is needed to try to fix any asymmetries, focus on some facial balancing, and just make you look like the better version of yourself. Natural. We want nobody to know you have filler. Let's go over some risks and benefits. Some risks are, heaven forbid, if the gel-based consistency gets into a vessel, then we have to dissolve it. And usually we are all trained here to take care of that, so rest assured that you are in safe hands. And some of the benefits is we do have a more natural approach, so you should just look refreshed, a little bit more youthful. We try not to change the way that your look. We really just try to enhance your natural features.